What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a hat, a Richardson's hat, and some patches, leather patches, adhesive leather patches, and we're going to stick them on this hat. We're going to run it through the ringer and see will it hold up. How long will it take before it comes off? Turned out pretty good. Now will it fit my melon? Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'd say it fits. It's cooled down. Definitely not warm anymore. Let's see what it can handle. Well, now that my hat's all dirty, looks like I'm a working man now. Like I wasn't before, but like a lawn mowing guy, I guess. Look at that, it even creased the patch and it's still on there. It's not lifting up whatsoever. Let's go wash it. It's a little dirty. I like my stuff clean. So now my hat's dirty. We're gonna wash it. I got it on hot and deep clean. Now I was told that this would hold up. I'm gonna hit start. We're gonna take a little bit of Tide. We're gonna put a skosh in there. It's only one hat. Just back up there, and then I'm going to take this sticker off because I know that'll come off. We're going to take this, drop it in there, see how it goes. So now for all you guys out there, I just messed up and I got my butt chewed. When you do that, make sure you wipe the bottle so then you don't have a bunch of soap running down the edge. I'm sorry for all the women watching. I'm going to wipe it up. Moment of truth. I'm pretty sure it's done. Zoom you guys out. Alright, ready? Is it gonna hold up? Do we really want to look? Maybe I shouldn't have went so hot. Let's do this. Okay. There's the hat. I don't see a patch. Oh! Look at that though. Ugh. Man, it's sticky. Didn't hold up. Shucks. So that's a bummer. It didn't hold up, but that's alright. It actually, see that? It took some fabric with it. But it's alright. It's it just can't be machine washed. And I also did the hottest settings, so I wonder once this dries what it'll be like if I washed it on warm. Like warm cold. It'd probably be a lot better. So if I were you, I wouldn't wash your hat, or I'd wash it by hand. But I still like the looks of them, and I think it's still cool. So I'm gonna actually, for giggles, I'm gonna turn this on and see if I can put it back on there, because I like that patch, and I'll wear the hat. I'll just put a new patch on it, not the end of the world, reuse the hat. So hope you guys liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see some more. And if you guys like the videos, share them so other people can see them. It helps me, so I can keep helping you. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.